Welcome to our presentation about chatbot-based emotion management for distributed teams, a participatory design study. My name is Benke, and on behalf of my co-authors Michael Knierim and Alexander Maedche, I'm happy to share with you our experiences. This paper focuses on remote work and distributed teams, which determine our everyday life and our working environment. Especially remote workers and distributed teams are heavily relying on modern collaboration technologies like Microsoft Teams, Slack, or Zoom. Especially when using text-based communication technologies, management of emotions is difficult. Management of emotions, or the ability to reason about or use emotions to enhance thought through perception, understanding, and regulation of emotions, is highly important for team collaboration. In turn, chatbots, as a novel opportunity, can serve as emotion managers for teams. Through their specific capabilities like natural language understanding, anthropomorphic appearance, as well as emotion recognition, they potentially serve as team emotion managers very well. This motivation leads to the following research problem on how to design chatbot-based emotion management for distributed teams based on end-user involvement into the design process. In order to tackle the presented research problem, we have pursued the following research approach. First of all, we have conducted 3 design workshops where we used 2 participatory design methods in order to involve end users into the design process. Second, we have distilled 3 chatbot design prototypes which we developed and finally evaluated them in a laboratory group experiment with 27 participants. Based on the 3 design workshops, we were able to develop 3 system prototypes. We received 153 design sketches, and through a user-informed selection process, we were able to distill 3 design types. First of all, the neutral bot, which is very lean. Second, the social bot, which shows human anthropomorphic appearances. And third, the action bot, which was guided by interactive design features. The 3 chatbot designs shall serve in the following scenario. A group of team members is chatting via text-based communication. The chatbot is listening and simultaneously recognizing the emotions. In times of conflict or in cases of negative emotions, the chatbot intervenes and tries to help the team to get into a better situation again. On the right side here now, we brought a very small example from an action bot. This is a chat example. A 3-team group is chatting and suddenly the action bot is intervening, which happens now. And this is the second escalation level. It deletes the chat and afterwards start it again. The 3 prototypes were evaluated in a between design laboratory experiment with 9 3-member groups. The analysis took place in a quantitative and qualitative fashion. The descriptive statistics showed that there was an emotional competence decrease in neutral bot treatment and a maintenance in social bot and action bot treatments. On the qualitative side, we saw 7 themes arranging from a thematic inductive analysis. Key results here are emotional perception and regulation, especially in social and interactive design features, as well as compromise facilitation and communication efficiency. In conclusion, we want to present 3 takeaways of our study. First of all, chatbot-based emotion management works. We have shown that for all 3 chatbot designs, there was an increased emotion perception. Second, for interactive and social design features, we were able to emphasize these effects by stimulating emotion regulation and communication efficiency. Finally, however, we saw some downsides, which represent threats for chatbot-based emotion management, especially surveillance and loss of control reported by the participants. Finally, we believe that our results are especially interesting in times of COVID-19 and the consequences we have to live with. So having chatbot-based emotion management might be a very interesting asset in the future and is worth investigating beyond our explorative results. Thank you very much for your attention.